Hello everyone! Join us on a journey to a vast grassland farm in the United States to see how they raise millions of birds and experience the magic of life on the grasslands. Farming chickens in the United States is a very popular and traditional method of poultry rearing. Farmers often raise chickens on a large area of grassland. Chickens are raised in a net house system divided into small areas for easy management and monitoring. In the US, farmers often use chicken breeds like Cornish grass or Plymouth Rock. Chickens on these farms are raised on a regular basis, which includes natural food resources such as grass and insects. In addition, they are supplemented with a mixture of protein and mineral-rich foods to promote rapid growth and ensure health. To ensure the health and quality of chickens, farmers often vaccinate and provide clean water regularly. In addition, they also use disease prevention and control measures to protect the health of chickens. After reaching the desired weight and size, the farmers will harvest the chickens to sell to the market. With the method of raising on pasture, the quality of chicken meat is often appreciated for its freshness, deliciousness, and safety for health. According to statistics from the United States Department of Agriculture, in 2021, there would be about 9.11 billion poultry raised in the country. The percentage of poultry raised on industrial farms is about 93%, while the percentage of poultry raised in the pasture is only about 7%. Among them, chicken is the most popular type of poultry, with a total flock of about 8.52 billion, followed by turkey with a 26 million and duck with about 23 million. Other types of poultry such as quail and rooster account for a relatively low proportion of total poultry raised in the US. This number indicates that poultry rearing conditions in the United States are highly developed and contribute significantly to the country's food production. Next, we will go to a duck farm in the state of Indiana. Duck farming in Indiana typically follows a certain process to ensure the health and performance of the duck flock. Before raising ducks, farmers need to prepare and manage the pasture carefully. This includes moving the lawn, fertilizing, and dealing with pests or weed problems. Breeders need to build a system of raising ducks on pasture. This includes building fences to protect the ducks, providing a resting place, and a uniform rearing system. Net system or mobile systems can be used to keep ducks in designated areas. In the grasslands, ducks can find a variety of grasses, weeds, water plants, and other herbal plants. This natural food source is rich in fiber and nutrients necessary for the development and growth of the ducks, Grass-fed feed provides natural vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Furthermore, ducks also eat insects and worms in grassland environments. They can hunt prey such as worms, ants, grasshoppers, and other small insects. However, to ensure nutritional balance and good performance, farmers can also provide supplementary feed such as seeds, corn, and vegetables. This supplement helps to meet higher nutritional needs and ensures the ducks get enough nutrients for growth and egg laying. When raising ducks on pasture in an environment without ponds, the cleaning and cleaning of ducks is done by different methods. Breeders can create a small bathing area for ducks in the pasture by placing a bucket or basin of water. To ensure clean ducks and increase egg production, breeders can focus on early morning care and hygiene. Morning is usually the best time to perform cleaning activities for ducks because this is the time when they wake up and their bodies are in a fresh state. In the morning, when the sun is just rising, farmers will release ducks into the pasture so that they can move freely and eat on the grass. In the process of ducks eating grass, farmers will harvest eggs. They will move to the nest, gather and collect the eggs that the ducks have laid during the last. In 2021, the number of raised ducks in Indiana increased significantly. According to the statistics of local Department of Agriculture, about 27 million ducks were raised on farms and food processing facilities in the state. This is a significant feature, demonstrating the strong development of the duck farming industry in Indiana. And finally, we'll take you to a turkey farms in Minnesota to see how they raise hundreds of turkeys. Currently, there are about 700 turkey farms in the state of Minnesota. There are about 200 million turkeys nationwide, with 40 million raised in Minnesota. After incubation, the chicks will be cared for and raised for a certain period of time. Breeding time usually lasts from 4 to 8 weeks, depending on the breed of turkey and the purpose of raising. During this period, the young will be fed with the adequate nutrients and receive special care to ensure good health and development. When the turkeys are old enough and are of sufficient size and health, the breeder prepares them and lets them loose in a pasture. Release time can vary, but usually occurs after about 8 to 10 weeks of rearing the young. Letting turkeys gaze on pasture allows them to be free and move around, foraging naturally, and create a natural environment for them to thrive. The length of free-range turkeys can also be related to breeding purposes. If the goal is to raise turkey for meat, farmers may decide to let loose earlier to optimize meat weight. Meanwhile, if the goal is to raise turkeys to harvest eggs, the free-range period can be extended to allow them to continue laying eggs. Every afternoon at turkey farms in Minnesota, a fascinating and peaceful scene unfolds. as the farmer begins the process of herding his chickens into the coop, avoiding natural predators. This is an important part of protecting and ensuring the safety of turkeys at night. For those who raise turkeys from the egg stage, there will be often an incubation period. The turkey egg will be placed in the incubator to maintain the right temperature and humidity. The incubation period normally lasts from 25 to 30 days, depending on the breed of turkey. When turkeys reach the appropriate weight and age for harvesting, they are transported from farms to processing plants. These processing plants are where experts in turkey processing perform slaughter, processing, and packaging of the products. Raising poultry on grassland is not only a significant source of income for American farmers, but also plays a crucial role in providing food for millions of people. Our video for today has come to an end. However, the curiosity and thirst for discovery continued. Please subscribe to the channel to discover the next interesting videos. Goodbye and see you in the next video.